Realme launched its new smartphone under GT lineup in China called Realme GT Neo6. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme GT Neo6 features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K 8T LTPO AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 6000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 735 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Realme GT Neo6 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with Sony IMX355 sensor. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with Sony IMX615 sensor, and it can record up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 120-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162 by 75.1 by 8.65 millimeters, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme GT Neo6 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for sale in the country in purple, green, and silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme GT Neo6 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.